This is Kardec Radio, bringing you the book The Medium's Harvest, written by spirit author Emmanuel and psychographed by Chico Javier. This partial audio recording will cover Chapter 16, titled Mediumistic Force. Enjoy. Chapter 16, Mediumistic Force. Open meeting on February 26, 1960. Question number 226, paragraph 2. Considering that the mediumistic force is an inherent ability of the human personality, since it transpires from all creatures to a lesser or greater degree, let us compare it to common eyesight. In effectuating the comparison, we will acknowledge that the eyes of an illiterate, of a loafer, who is a person who wastes away time in idleness, of a malefactor, and of a missionary of the good, in essence, do not show any difference in the histology of the retina. In all of them we find the same structure and the same objective. Let us suppose that a certain machine was granted to the fore in order to produce certain benefits, accompanied by a corresponding letter of instructions for basic use. The illiterate would only have the device because he would not know how to give meaning to the process of use. The loafer would understand the engine, but would leave it to the dust of inertia. The malefactor would take advantage of it to exploit his fellow men or commit some crime. The missionary, however, would guard it responsibly, directing its use to the benefit of all. Mediumistic force, like the aforementioned visual capacity, is a gift that life grants to all. What differs in each person is the issue of bearing. Herein lies the reason why the divine messengers will insist, for a long time yet, on the sublimation of the psychic energies, so that the fruits of good multiply throughout the earth. Mediums that only produce phenomena are worthless. Phenomena that only establish convictions are worthless. Convictions that create only words are worthless. Words that only articulate empty thoughts are worthless. Life and time require work and improvement, progress and refinement. Thus, mediumship, as much as physical vision, represents a neutral force from the point of view of morality. The importance and meaning it can acquire depends on the direction given to it. For this reason, those responsible discarnated friends who are conscious of their own duties before the divine laws will be among men, exhorting them to goodness and service, study and discernment. For the mediumistic force neither aids nor edifies when it is devoid of charity or absent of education.